how to create an account on Pinterest. To create an account on Pinterest, you need to follow the steps. First thing, you want to install Pinterest on your device. Head over to your respective app store, type in Pinterest on the search bar, and install the app. After completely installing the app, click on the open button, and this is where it will take you. Now, it's going to ask you to either connect or create your account using your email address or continue with Google. You could go with any of these. And if you are going with email, you need to type in the email first of all, click on continue. After which you will then be prompted to create, or it's gonna ask you to enter in the password or create a password, right? And basically, when you're done or creating your password, you need to provide your age as well. And you can also sign up using your Google or Facebook account, as I mentioned before. And after you've actually done this, you'll have successfully created your account. So then it's going to ask you to go ahead and select your theme and what sort of feed you like to hear or that you like to see. And this way, you'll have successfully created an account on Pinterest. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.